Hey, congratulations! You're on your way to becoming a Transportation Security Officer with the TSA. The position of TSO is both challenging and rewarding. While helping to protect your fellow citizens, you can enjoy great employee benefits and job satisfaction. But first, in order to get hired, you must pass a series of entry-level tests. This video will explain what the TSA Computer-Based Test, or CBT, is all about and how best to prepare for it. My name is Sergeant George Godoy, and since my retirement, I have developed a series of outstanding prep courses for entry-level law enforcement positions. Based upon over 600 five-star reviews, the independent user review company Shopper Approved rates these courses as the best online prep courses in the market today. This recent review from Sue in Minnesota serves as a strong warning for you, combined with another 5-star user satisfaction rating for me. She says, "Contrary to some of the blogs on the internet, the TSA CBT was pretty intense. I'm so glad I studied for it with Sergeant Godoy's training course. It really helped me prepare. I took the test, and within minutes after completing it, I received an email that I had passed and was given a contingent offer. Thank you, Sergeant Godoy." Think about it. How long has it been since you took a 2.5-hour exam on English combined with an Xray test that you've never experienced before? If you are serious about becoming a TSO, watch the rest of this video. Following your preliminary application, the first step of the TSA hiring process is a TSA CBT. This test will take about 2.5 hours to complete. The test has two main parts, an English proficiency test and an Xray interpretation test. The English proficiency test will consume the majority of the time required for the exam. It is important for applicants to be able to read with understanding and to write clearly and accurately. Questions on this exam are high school level difficulty. There is no requirement to write a report or compose an essay. Applicants need to demonstrate basic skills with grammar, punctuation, spelling, and vocabulary. My TSA course includes an outstanding English refresher course that is part of all of my law enforcement training courses. It has been proven to be effective for thousands of students over the past decade. The tutorials and practice quizzes in my course will fully prepare you to ace the English portion of the TSA CBT. Identifying objects in a cluttered Xray is not easy for most people. Because this is an essential part of the job, you will have to pass a specialized Xray object recognition test that demonstrates that you have the basic abilities to distinguish shapes and colors in a busy environment. I will teach you tips and techniques that will enable you to ace this portion of the exam. I will teach you how different materials are interpreted by the computers and how to use color and edges to distinguish objects. I've created hundreds of test Xray images that you can run in both timed and untimed mode. You will have access to 10 different drills that are looking for different types of objects and luggage like bottles, guns, wires, electronics, etc. These drills provide accurate preparation for the real thing and are one of the reasons students love this course. This is what the course looks like. You can use it from a desktop, which is recommended, or you can use it from a smartphone. But that's not all. You will receive 2 bonus lessons that cover other critical steps of the TSA hiring process. The first is how to interview effectively when you take the airport assessment, and the second is how to survive the background investigation. If you want to pass the TSA exam, you need to get my TSA CBT prep course. You will receive my complete satisfaction guarantee. If you have any questions, you can always email me at sergeantgeorgegodoy@gmail.com. To learn more about this prep course, click on the link with the Xray image. To subscribe to this channel, click on the logo with my image. On the right, you will find a playlist of additional videos that I have published for law enforcement interest examinations. Thanks for watching.